In this video, we will show you how to create an email group in Gmail. To create email groups in Gmail, it's very easy. What the email groups looks like, when you compose a message, you don't need to input one by one the email. If you have the email group, you can just type the email group like this, okay? For example, I have the email group support. When we add this, all of the email that listed on the support group will edit on our to message here, okay? And then here, to create the email group, we can open the contacts.google.com. This is the URL. You can open contacts.google.com. Then you can click create a contact button here. Just click this. And to create a group, you need to create multiple contacts. Okay, for example, just select this. And to create multiple contacts or group, you need to add the label. Okay, just create a label. For example, type the group name you want. For example, we already have support. Okay, and then we don't have marketing, so we can type marketing like this and click save. After that, we can add the email address that belong into the marketings. Okay, for example, I input the same name or same email with before. For example, upcase at gmail.com and with cs at weirdata.com, for example, like this. And then we can click and then select create. Okay, so in here we have marketing group here. Okay, you can see this is the marketing group, this is the support group. When you open the Gmail, okay, we can reload this. When you open your Gmail, then you need to send to your group. It's very easy, just you can type the marketing here. Okay, this is the marketing. Okay, then you done creating a group in Gmail. But what's the marketing appear here? Okay, you can see marketing wd at googlegroups.com. This is also you can creating a group as alternative if you want to directly using the Google Groups. What is the Google Groups? You can just open Google Groups like this. Okay, just open groups.google.com and you can creating a group whatever the best with your need. You can using group using contacts or using the groups.google.com. When you creating a groups on group.google.com, you can have the email address using Google Groups. For example, here I already creating marketing groups. Okay, so we can add the people into our group here. Okay, we can add the member and we can add new conversation. Okay, you can see we can add now the conversation and the groups can replay them. And we can also using the contacts.google.com to creating the address group. Okay, and that's all tutorial how you can make or creating email groups using Gmail. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.